Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Eneba promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get a discount on the Eneba website using a coupon code from Honey, start by opening your web browser and go to Join Honey. Honey is a popular platform for finding coupon codes and deals that can save you money on your purchases. On the Honey website, search for Eneba to find the latest coupon codes. You'll likely see a list of top coupon codes that can be used for discounts on Eneba. Look through the list to find a coupon that suits your needs, typically displayed with details like the amount or percentage you can save. For example, you might find a code that saves you around $15 on your purchase. When you find a coupon you want to use, click on the Get Coupon button next to it. This action will either display the code or copy it to your clipboard automatically. If it's not copied automatically, make sure to manually copy the code provided. Next, return to the Eneba tab in your browser where you plan to make your purchase. During the checkout process on the Eneba site, you will find a field where you can enter a coupon or discount code. Paste the code you copied from Honey into this field. After pasting the code, proceed with the checkout process. You should see the discount applied to your order total, reflecting the savings from the coupon code you used. So that's basically how to get Eneba promo codes. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.